After months of speculation, leaks, and teasing images, Sony is finally set to unveil the A7V, and it looks like it's going to shake up the hybrid camera world. Mark your calendars for December 2nd, because that's when the new powerhouse hits the market. From the outside, it might look similar to the A7R5, but under the hood, this camera is packing serious upgrades that photographers, videographers, and content creators have been waiting for. Let's dive into what makes this new A7 series camera so compelling. The A7V introduces a brand new 33-megapixel partially stacked sensor, a step up from the 24-megapixel partially stacked sensors found in the Nikon Z63 and Panasonic Lumix S12. If you're wondering what partially stacked really means, think of it like a turbo upgrade on a sports car. It gives you a significant boost in speed and performance without the premium of a full-stack sensor. This new sensor promises faster readout speeds, less rolling shutter, and cleaner images when tracking fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and anyone who needs speed and precision. One of the biggest upgrades for action shooters is the frame rate. The A7V can now shoot up to 30 frames per second in 14-bit RAW using the electronic shutter, and 10 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. For comparison, the A74 maxed out at 10 frames per second, so this is a massive jump. Sony has also added pre-capture mode, which lets the camera start recording frames even before you press the shutter fully. This is perfect for wildlife shooters who need to capture fleeting moments like a bird taking flight or a deer leaping across a field. Stabilization has also been seriously upgraded. The A7V now offers 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, a noticeable improvement over the A74's 5.5 stops. This means you can shoot at much slower shutter speeds handheld without worrying about blur, opening up creative possibilities for low light and motion photography. Where the A7V really starts to shine is its autofocus. Sony has integrated the same AI chip used in the A12 and A7R5, a dedicated deep learning processor designed to elevate subject recognition and tracking. While the A74 had 759 phase detection points, it lacked this AI processing power. The new AI chip improves detection of human faces, eyes, and bodies, and it extends tracking to non-human subjects like animals, birds, and even insects. It can also recognize cars, trains, and airplanes. What this means is that the camera predicts body poses and tracks the subject even when they turn away, keeping the focus locked on the right spot. For videographers, this AI-powered autofocus supports real-time eye detection during video recording, freeing you to focus on composition while the camera handles the technical heavy lifting. Video capabilities are solid, though slightly less flashy compared to some competitors. The A7V records full-frame, oversampled 4K at 60p with no crop, and it also offers 4K at 120p, though with some crop. The exact crop factor is yet to be confirmed, but it's expected to be minor, similar to the A12's 1.1x crop at 4K 120. However, there's no open gate recording, which limits the sensor area you can use for video. That's something Canon users can take advantage of, but for most hybrid shooters, the A7V's video output is more than sufficient. The camera's design follows the A7R5 body, with a 3.2-inch free-angle tilting touchscreen, making it a strong choice for vloggers and content creators who need flexible angles. It features one SD slot and one hybrid SD/CF Express Type A slot. While some might have hoped for dual CF Express slots, the camera positions itself as a mid-range option rather than a flagship. It also finally moves away from micro USB, adopting dual USB-C ports for modern connectivity. Now, how does the A7V compare to Canon's recently announced R6 Mark III? The Canon R6 Mark III has a 32.5 megapixel full-frame sensor, and can shoot internal 7K RAW video at 60 frames per second, including open gate recording. On paper, the resolution is nearly identical to Sony's 33 megapixels, but Sony's partially stacked sensor gives it a slight edge in readout speed and reducing rolling shutter artifacts. Burst shooting is different as well. Canon can hit 40 frames per second electronically plus 20 frames per second with pre-continuous shooting, slightly faster than Sony's 30 frames per second, but 30 frames per second is still excellent for most users. Video is where Canon pulls ahead, offering more advanced recording formats and higher resolutions for cinema work. For autofocus, both systems are impressive, with Canon offering dual-pixel CMOS AF across broad coverage and the ability to recognize and prioritize specific subjects. Sony, however, gains a unique advantage with its AI chip, tracking humans, animals, birds, insects, and vehicles with predictive body pose algorithms that maintain focus even when the subject moves unpredictably. Sony's display of focus points also ensures the focus indicator remains locked on the eye of moving subjects, which can be a huge benefit for wildlife and sports photography. In terms of stabilization, both cameras are strong, with Sony offering 8 stops and Canon claiming 8.5 stops at the center and 7.5 at the periphery. Pricing is also very close, with Canon's R6 Mark III at $2,799 and Sony's A7V expected to land around $2,999 to $3,000. The A7V's slightly higher price is justified by its AI autofocus capabilities, faster sensor readout, and the enormous Sony E-mount lens ecosystem, which offers more third-party lens options and generally more accessible pricing compared to Canon's RF mount. In the end, the A7V is tailored for photographers who prioritize stills, speed, and cutting-edge AI autofocus, while still delivering solid 4K video performance. Canon may appeal more to dedicated videographers, with its 7K RAW video and open gate recording. For wildlife shooters, sports photographers, and hybrid users, Sony's AI processing unit and body pose estimation could make all the difference between capturing a keeper shot and missing the moment. Sony's legacy in the A7 series continues with meaningful improvements in sensor technology, autofocus, stabilization, and video capability, and the A7V is positioned as an ideal option for anyone seeking a high-performing, versatile mirrorless camera without venturing into the ultra-premium price range. December 2nd will mark the official announcement, with limited batches expected to ship before Christmas. For those in the market for a hybrid camera that blends cutting-edge AI, high-resolution stills, and reliable video capabilities, this holiday season is shaping up to be incredibly exciting. The A7V looks poised to continue Sony's trend of delivering innovation with every new generation, and it might just be the camera that tips the balance for photographers deciding between the Sony and Canon ecosystems. With the AI autofocus, faster readout, and massive lens options, Sony is offering a compelling package that could redefine hybrid camera performance in 2025.